Ruvarangu dai waiziva zvandinonzwa nezviri mukati memwoyo wangu kana kuti dai waipiwa zviri munjere nezviri mumurungwa wangu nyange ndisipo ingozviziva hakuna kana umwe angatore mwoyo wangu kufunganya dai wambomira baby.
What's happening? Yes sir. What's good?
Mwanasikana uritsvara kadenga mundangariro tangu ikaniweweka tora moyo wangu samudonde.
What's happening?
Safa wa
Madiapo
nyenyezi yekuchirimo engoni
RYANOBVIOUS the DJ
kare ndaiterera mashoko ndakaeva chimiro pawakandida ndakabata denga tiende kure sina vamwe mdiwa wangu tono vakapedzi.
Like I said, RYANOBVIOUS the DJ is in the building right now.
Tora moyo wangu samudonde.
What's happening?
Safa wanisiya ndega nyenyezi yekuchirimo engoni kana
It is my old school.
ndekare ndichida iwe
Eben Guava.
amashoko ndakaeva chimiro pawakandida ndakabata denga ngatiende kure sina vamwe mdiwa wangu tono vakapeduteka ruva rangu dai waiziva zvandinonzwa nezviri mukati memwoyo wangu kana kuti dai waipiwa zviri munjere nezviri mumurungwa wangu
Ndati Madiapo
ipo ingozviziva.
What's happening?
angatore mwoyo wangu
Boere
dai wambomira baby.
Nasi ndine mazi old school tunes hey.
Unechekuti unzwe handichadzokere kumashure ndichatokukanda baby mumambure machena weke kuti mbu.
It's a Sunday vibes.
Potosangana pese mbunde
So I'm actually giving you some old school music.
rudo runotoda une moyo mure kuti uwane
Last week I gave you some old school Sungura. So today in old school Eben Groove.
iwa kuti ndirore
I don't want my 2000 hey.
potosangana pese mbunde nechimwe changu kwatakabva kure tiende kure sina vamwe mdiwa wangu tono vakapeduteka ruva rangu dai waiziva zvandinonzwa nezviri mukati memwoyo wangu kana kuti dai waipiwa zviri munjere nezviri mumurungwa wangu nyange ndisipo ingozviziva.
What's good? Yeah. To BG. Come on. Yeah. Old school. Yes sir. Come on. What you say? Yeah. Old school. Yes sir.
Nikakufunga mwana ndinopindwa neshando chiso chako chinopenya senyeredzi uri wangu mwana handimbokusiya ndichabatirira nemoyo wose hapana angakubvisa pandiri hapana.
What you say?
Angakuda seni
Hapana.
wakaita seni
Hapana. What you say? Come on.
Kuda seni
Yeah.
Chieta moyo wangu nopara.
Old school.
Oh,
Baby. What you say?
Oh, handidi, kala nirineka. Oh, chieta, moyo wangu unopara. Oh, handidi, kala nirineka.
Well, you know that it's Jehovah Wakasika, Mwana Wakashika. And it just go alongside, step aside to Shika.
Come on.
Right.
What you say? Nai Mariwe. Diamond. It's all about the love. Vanu akudara. Mainya Nyufarira. Zerudo. Big shout out to all the Eben Grooves artists.
Watch me right.
What you say?
Na, mira poti taurira ne. Musekana. Musekana, musekana. Mira poti taurira ne. Musekana.
Tuya tidana ne kutitino.
Solo na mutai. Tese tauno dandi no kupana kai. Ande kumusatino na wana amai. Kutiva muone iye wangu na kai. Atiso zako nakachitarisa ugodai. Ndonzwa moyo wangu kurwaza na kai. Mwana ande tika murura wa mai. Ndino mtora chete ndapeka kudai. Ande chakwira kumo ndo kumurira uchi. Kana nemitero inotapira nye. Kana wada ini chaunga shaye che. Asirwa korudo harutengwe ne mare musekana. Mira poti taurira ne. Musekana. Musekana, musekana, mira poti taurira ne. Musekana.
Nai Mariwe. Wangor kupigwa hapa. Wangor na jepapi. Tell me, come on. Yeah, yeah. Decibel, sing with me. What you say? Kanatani.
Tara kwedu hakuna mapai. Tokanga maputi kana kube kamangai. Kanatani marite chaenda ko Japan. Tono zoga tese takatagura fashion.
Tommy yo figure.
Eko kalkan.
Kana zuri maritino.
Zoka tane san. Saka sandi neta.
I want no cheesy ichi.
Agazondi siya ndakaponja simatai. Rudo rwandi narwo mumo yoro nondi pai. Ndai zakurara asi hopenda shai. Musekana. Mira poti taurira ne.
Come on.
Musekana.
Ladies. I go by the name of RYANOBVIOUS the DJ, all the way from Pretoria, Silverton. What's happening? What you say? Come on, come on, come on.
Simoko.
Pa area.
Barume vaviri.
Vachida ne area.
Umwe wacho tedu mwende area. Oyo treda na mari anochaye.
Sing with me.
Moto karina na tuwa na to area.
Come on.
Imwe ipatero inekeria. Treda mukoma na we mu area. Iyo namo ye kufunga kuna neya. Paito simoko. Pa area. Barume vaviri vachida ne area. Umwe wacho tedu mwende area. Oyo treda na mari anochaye. Moto karina na tuwa na to area. Imwe ipatero inekeria. Treda mukoma na we mu area. Iyo namo ye kufunga kuna neya. Well, this is something brand new inside of 2002. It's from Decibel once again. It goes like so. Right? Sing it!
That is right. What you say? Come on, come on, come on. What you say? Sing with me. Yes, sir.
Dai titch dana nano kuyanana.
Adaizo ivira.
Mali wedu waiso tikumburira. Waisa da kumboni ombesera. Uri wangu, uri solia.
What you say? Na na neri. What you say? Where is Decibel? Yes, sir. Mwana waka Chipinda, nina chipinda chido. Ha! Chemoyo.
Daiva imbusiana nesu daiva vasingapindire kukanganisa rupe rwedu daiva
Atisa
nyanzisevese avo vane shanje
daiva
tivirane tivake musha wedu.
Come on, yes
daiva ndikwanise kukupawo chese chaunoda daiva umwe wangu maive vana vangu
Njiripu. Come on. What you say? It's all about Urban Groove. The Urban Guava. I'm at 2000, I don't want you here. These are Sunday vibes, and don't play my old school tunes. I go by the name of RYANOBVIOUS the DJ, all the way from Plug and Play Music. Chido, diwe chido. Big shout out to Chido Vese. Madiapo. Tarara, ta, yeah. Parara. Urban Groove, what you say? Come on. Yeah, what you say? Sing with me. Nea money. Big shout out to Munu Wese. Akakura chins with this type of music. What you say? Canada Shika. What I know is this song is actually doing the sing along right now. Hey, come on, sing with me. What you say? Tino mirira kushikira, mudiwa wangu kushika. Ngoma kudara. Urban Groove. shout out to all my fans from East Lane, Silverton, Sunny Side, my Melody. What's happening over there, so? Come on. What you say?
And of course, we can't get no more faster. It's the
Come on.
Watch this.
I do still remember my promises on my rover. I might go high school. So my udzana. So my udzana go high school. What you say? Come on. Zuvari ya mudiwa uchindibuza tichagara tese. A big shout out to Mats Baba at the yard in Silverton. Musi uya diaiwe uchinditaurira tichastana tese. Mai vangu vakati ndizvo baba vangu kekani wachiwa. Wese uchafara wa uya Bachavane Masongo akudara
washika.
It was all about love, eh? Chirangano, sing with me. Come on, sing with me. Those Parker boys. I go by the name of RYANOBVIOUS the DJ. What you say?
The highway.
Yeah.
Watch me now.
The highway.
Ndinewe moyo wangu unofara ndinewe hani ninotabiriwa ndinewe ndinonza manyuku ndinewe aye chirangano chedu ihi chidzidzo chedu chirangano chedu ihi chidzidzo chedu.
What you say? Mari nenguva yakakwana
kuno motora kuti tika
nochiziva ichi
angu miteni wakakumirira tinoda kumuona wakakutora moyo. Kuna baba na mai ngatumira munyai tora chekadai mwana wekwa mugari mbinero ranga katotumira samukuru tembelai
usakangarwe. It's called the Sunday Vibes with RYANOBVIOUS the DJ. All the way from Pretoria, Silverton, guys. Those are no itainini. Usa. Listen, come on, my way.
Zvino chawe zvandakadira tandiswi body coated with gandhi vakabatana seshereni.
My way.
Pasna Mari, she told me she loved me.
What you say?
So then she told me that I could
Sing.
Pretty girl, that's just a nakasena night. And they came along at just the perfect time.
Damn right.
Good night.
Remember.
Don't cry. Kana skeba say muskana cry. Nati ingawani ndo ya mujani. Chagurora iwe. Please don't worry, everything carry. Nichagura post kuchoka ndombo gazira mari.
What you say? Come on. Sing along. Come on, come on. Muzi uya ya iwe uchinditaurira tichistana tese Tindi nazo zvese Diwe Ngoni kabarami. Where you at, my guy? Mbori piko. Listen to the voice.
Ndimi maive vana vangu wandisiya ndiri mukutambudzika unai siku nesikati vana vanochema kuchevedzera mai unai siku nesikati vana vanochema kuchevedzera mai ini wacho ndinochema ndichishevedzera.
What you say? Sing with me. Diwe A big shout out to everyone who's listening right now, guys. I really appreciate your support. You know that is please follow my Instagram pages. RYANOBVIOUS the DJ, that's my name. Facebook, TikTok, kanapa YouTube chaipo. Nondoana. My mixtape pangu pakazara papo. Esewe. Ndiwe. Togo Naiji. So right now, what I want to do right now, I just want to change the game a little bit. I want to switch it up a little bit. Come on. Are you ready now? Are you ready now? Let's go. What you say? Tell me that you love me. Tell me dreams, you tell me say you love me. What you say? Tell me dreams, you tell me say you love me. I know I see it. So let me mention in my dreams. Woman, you take a kiss me. Tell me dreams, woman, you take a kiss me. Those dreams come true, yes. Oh, nice. Someday, yes. Wanasikana hini na muda. Wote zangu ndiwe weka. Taichana chini muma koremo. Hope tango. Other people's dreams come. I miss that. I miss that. Sing with me. What you say? You told me that you love me. Let me dream. You tell me say you love me. Let me dream. Woman, you say you love me. In my dream, you kiss me and you smile. Let me dream. Woman, you did a kiss me. Let me dream. Woman, you did a kiss me. I wish I could dream every night and every day. Then I can be by your side all the time. Hear me now. I'm living in misery. I'm living in a condemn. May you turn this a dream into reality. May you go queen and lick a soul of my skin. Shining like laser beam. It looks a bit same. Oh, last night I'm a slave. So I whip it through the chase. May you wonder you for grace. So brace your worst line. You have it in your tour. It is so dangerous. If I cassette, they would have rewind it. Come on. Like I said, guys, I don't want time 2000 right here.
This is too hardcore for them, eh? This is too deep for you guys. I'm a 2000. No. I'm a 2000. Let me tell you something. I know my number. Inyengeskwana moms venya. Teacher Mao. Oh God. That teaching nini.
Oh my God.
Woman.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like a miracle and it's a love terrible. Unlike love the for me life for me willing and able. You invigorate me when me weak and feeble.
She's the
that I need.
I don't need no Moyo Muti.
I'm away. I'm like a star, she shines so bright. She was meant to be my lady.
I'm a 2000. Ndati she. Ndati aya ndo evar masasa na mdara wenyaya. Ndo manamba nyingi swana mchembere. Come on, come on.
Wait. I'm living in this day, I'm living in a name, and you return this a dream, into reality. Make up a pain and a dick of so long.
A big shout out to everyone who's listening right now. Like I said, a big shout out to everyone who's listening right now. I go by the name of RYANOBVIOUS, the DJ, all the way from Pretoria, Silverton. Yes, sir. Are you ready now? Let me do some Zandaga Zizi Squad. Let's go. Come on.
Live in a country all my life.
Whoa, my dada.
I live in a country all my life. Oh, my. I came to the city hoping to find her.
What you say?
Oh, my.
Come on.
Now I'm so lonely.
Yes.
Nobody knows me. Oh, my. I got to go back home where I belong. Oh, my. Baby, I wanna see the mountains once more. I wanna hear the birds singing. Baby,
Like I said, guys, I go by the name of RYANOBVIOUS, the DJ, all the way from Pretoria, Silverton.
Zimbabwe.
This is how I do it. It's all about the Sunday vibes, where I give you some old school tunes. What you say?
Live in a country all my life. Oh, my.
I came to the
City hoping to find way. Oh, my. Now I'm so lonely. Nobody knows me. Oh,
like I said, I want to switch the vibes a little bit up. Come on, put your volume up.
baby, I
Wanna see the mountains, ain't I?
wanna hear the birds singing. Baby, I wanna see the rivers once more. I wanna hear the birds singing. I'm a country boy. I belong in the mountains.
What you say?
I'm a country
Potato, where you at? My guy, Potato. One more time, guys. Like I said, guys, I go by the name of RYANOBVIOUS, the DJ. Let me drop it like another one. Let me drop it again. Let me do it again. I have to drop it again. What you say? Innocent.
Live in a country all my life.
Whoa.
I came to the city hoping to find way. Oh, my. Now I'm so lonely. Nobody knows me.
What you say?
Oh, my. I got to go back home where I belong. Oh, my. Baby, I wanna see the mountains once more. I wanna hear the birds singing. Baby, I wanna see the rivers once more. I
Come on,
wanna
come on.
hear the birds singing.
I am a
Country boy.
I belong to
the
the
mountains. I'm a country boy.
What you say? A potato, where you at? Come on, Chekutanga. Kuharari.
mazukuru vatetanga mandiri nababa vachiruwandari ngumayorira izwa makomo kudahira yanangwa kanaka ari kukumusha upenyu warari wanga wandiumira ndosakadati ine ndavitsokera toyenda hama dzangu twamutosendomona hama dzangu ndakaona mutu.
What you say? Come on.
Moyo wangu wafunga kumusha.
Our Zimbabwean Sean Paul. Come on, come on.
Go down the tree and the mountain climbing. Come back and make us back and make us when they come.
I walk with Dara Wise Parker boys.
The country where you may belong.
Yeah.
Yes, I'm back and make us when they can. You should now. Back to the, back to the, back to the.
Whoa. Are you ready now? Let me turn it up. Turn it up. Yeah, yeah.
I'm gonna get the good time again. I'm gonna do things that I'm missing, and I'll never come back again.
Come on.
I'm going on woman again. I'm gonna get the good time.
Can you feel it?
Again. I'm gonna do things that I'm missing, and I'll never come back again. Oh my, let me
Move productions again. It's a new thing. Mix up.
Sometimes I go for this without food.
The one of your heart.
What you say? Innocent. One more time. Come on. My Zimbabwean people, sing with me. I am now. Sing a little prayer to my mama.
To all the mothers in the world.
Your love, you the rain you hear me run the shamisa.
Tell you what.
Come on.
Oh, am I? Oh, my mama. Oh, am I? Oh, my mama.
To all the mothers in the world, this a song made dedicating. The love and when you gave mama, yet never deceiving. Make the dip on my knees, that's the father give you blessing. The love on the mama, the love on the mama. To all
A big shout out to all the mothers, eh?
song made dedicating. The love and when you gave mama, yet never deceiving.
I know.
Make the dip on my knees.
Apagabuda my songs 2002,
I love on the mama.
2000, 2001,
Mama.
2003.
On to your belly, mama.
Wango chiriga mwana,
Come make I day.
chiriga baby.
You will provide.
But I know right now,
Me up when me
Orishi mama.
when me on.
Big shout out to you.
Send me to school.
Big shout out to all the mothers.
The food.
I love you so much.
Yeah, take on.
Big shout out to Moms Yango.
Like school, grudge not, judge
A borrowed over village up. A big shout out to you, man.
me not.
Mommy.
Better say sculpture dead than tell me pick up and wait me.
Come on, come on, come on.
When you tell them on you must be a principal, me nearest, dearest. Mama, you the closest. And now you me put me just me not go get no secret. Some of them with them mama, that is foolishness. Who are better with them mama, happy and nonsense. Measure in and do them today. Got that a magnus, you worth more than money. Mama, you priceless with all the days of your life. May the God
I'm
bless.
on my knees
Sing a little prayer.
for my mama.
May the Lord God love.
What you say?
La fugama, bishe komborera mai vangu.
Mama, you're the greatest woman in my life.
Your love, you the rain you hear me run the shamisa.
Yes, sir.
Oh, am I? Oh, my mama. Oh, am I? Oh, my mama.
What is it right about now? If I take time to heal about the mothers, not east, west, and also in the south, the whole wide world. What do you mean? Wolfman Production.
Aisha impira na imburuga iniho. Denda kuna mari ndono matori na iniho. Mari komborera mai vangu iniho. Aisha impira
What you say?
na iniho.
Sing.
Denda kuna mari ndono matori na iniho. Mari komborera mai vangu iniho. I don't wanna miss you in my life. Oh, I don't wanna miss you in my life. Oh,
From all the mothers in the world, this a song made dedicated. The love and when you give mama, you never listening. Make the death for me, that's the mama with your blessing. I love you, mama. I love you.
That's Zoka Murdofuti.
Mama.
What you say? Come on, come on, come on. Kanandi sinewe bebindo.
tatsakurara andichina kana zvimwe zvandinotsvagausha
Ndo.
putsamwe
What you say?
ndakagara ndai
Ngoni. All my sexy ladies, sing with me. What you say?
zvamunoditseso
Shinogara.
tichindiitirapo andichina kana vamwe mashoko
Baby girl.
tinditseure chinzwawo unoditseso chinogara chichindiitirapo andichina kana vamwe mashoko
Talibi. Where you at?
chikindoita mashura
What you say?
tambrando naisa mvura ndine wakumbo doka ndinomisa nguva une rudo runokwanisa kubata zuva
Baby.
Dandindewega animbokutsvaka kumwe animbokufananidza ndiwe chete unokwanisa kundifadza kiel
shaina neni
vaudze kuti mukomana ngakasiyana nemi ogona kuita yo pavanotenga mbudzi ndinotenga mombe pavanoita zvidiki
ndinoita komoipa enepa
ndine ndotsikwanisa
what you say
mbudzi ndine gesamson
come on
ndinofarisa
everybody
Chinogara chechinditirapo andichinagara vamwe mashoko ekuti nditaure chinzwawo baby zvaunonditaso chinogara chechinditirapo andichinagara vamwe mashoko ekuti nditaure chinzwawo iwe une rudo runondifadza panyama nemweya iwe watora moyo hapana kana mumwe atatamba nawo
iwe
ndiwe
chokwadi
pfungwa dzangu handifunge mumwe uri pedyo pfungwa
a big shout out to everyone who's listening right now
uri kure moyo
like I said guys I go by the name of RYANOBVIOUS the DJ
uri pfungwa dzangu handifunge mumwe
I go by the name of RYANOBVIOUS the DJ all the way from a plug and play music. Thank you so much for logged on in. Hey, every Sunday those and dog pie old school vibes. Yes sir. A big shout out to my plug and play crew, a Toxic, a Guid, a Roderick. Thank you so much for logged on in guys.